Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to English language learning class, where stories help you speak better English every day.
A story of one woman's house chores. It's Saturday morning. The sun is already bright, sneaking through the windows as I settle at my desk, coffee in hand. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., I'm working, emails, meetings, and mental checklists. The work part of Saturday. But in the back of my mind, I know what comes next. As soon as the clock strikes 12, it's not just a weekend, it's my reset zone. A day to clean, clear, and care for the space around me. So I can wake up on Sunday to pure rest. 12 p.m. work ends, mission begins. I log off, push my chair back, and stretch my arms. The house waits for me, not in chaos, but in quiet disorder. I change into my comfy clothes, the soft cotton tee, leggings, and my trusty scrunchie. Hair up. Music on. It begins. 12:15 p.m. The kitchen battlefield. I start in the kitchen. The sink is full of dishes, plates from last night, mugs from this morning. I tie on my apron, slip on the gloves, and let the warm water run. One by one, the dishes are cleaned, dried, and stacked away. Counters get wiped, spice jars lined up, the stove scrubbed until it gleams like new. 1 p.m. coffee break. I earned it. I brew a fresh cup of coffee and hold it close, letting the steam brush my face. I sit by the window, sip slowly, and give myself this small reward. A pause, nothing more. Because I'm just getting started. 1:30 p.m. bedroom reset. I pull off the bed sheets and toss them into the laundry basket. Dusting the nightstand, wiping the mirror, vacuuming under the bed, it all happens in rhythm. I open the windows wide to let in fresh air. Everything feels lighter, fresher, more mine. 2 p.m. laundry time. I sort, load, and press start. The hum of the washing machine becomes the background to my movement. 2:15 p.m. washroom deep clean. I grab the cleaning caddy and march to the bathrooms. Scrubbing the toilet, the basin, the shower walls. I rinse, disinfect, scrub tiles, and shine the mirror until it reflects back a tired but satisfied face. I light a scented candle before I leave, a small victory ritual. 3 p.m. dining area and living room. The dining table is cluttered with random items. I clear it off, polish the surface, and realign the chairs. In the living room, I dust shelves, organize cushions, fold throw blankets, and vacuum the carpet. It slowly transforms from lived in to loved. 3:45 p.m. sweeping and mopping marathon. Now the big move, sweeping every floor, chasing crumbs and dust bunnies. Then, mopping with lavender-scented cleaner. The whole house begins to shine and smell like a spa. My feet ache, but there's magic in this moment. 4:30 p.m. laundry round 2. I switch the batch, hang the first load to dry, and toss in the second. I breathe in that sun-dried cotton smell. Simple things are the best things. 5 p.m. shower and reset. I step into the shower, letting the warm water melt away the hard work of the day. I scrub, rinse, and emerge feeling brand new. Fresh clothes. Damp hair wrapped in a towel. Skin glowing and mind clear. 5:30 p.m. cooking something comforting. I head to the kitchen and decide on something delicious, a simple curry with chapati, or maybe a cozy ball of pasta. I cook slowly, dancing a little to my music, the clean kitchen making it all feel joyful. I sit down at the tidy dining table and savor each bite. 6 p.m. the house is clean. The day is done. Every room sparkles. The laundry's done. Dishes are clean. The air smells like lemon and lavender. I pour myself a final cup of coffee, curl up on the sofa, and look around, calm, quiet, and completely content. Tomorrow is Sunday. No chores. No lists. Just rest. And I earned every bit of it. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more real-life routines, reset days, and peaceful vibes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, your space, and your peace. Yellow Heart.